What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to build an easy Kirby. So first you can take either 2 of the normal square blocks or 2 of these. I'm going to use these 2 square blocks in this. Then you need to put a black one right here. One of these tiny little black slits. Hi. And then you need to put another one right there.
And Spider-Man.
Look out.
And Spider-Man.
Yep, he has Spider-Man pajamas. Then you take a 2x1 and put it right here, connecting these. And then you need to take one of these. And you gotta place it at this piece right back here. So then you can connect it, like, look. Then you connect it with one of these. No, wait. If you want to give him arms, you can put this right here. And another one right here. So then he's got arms. And then you put one 2x2 here.
I don't know how to make Kirby.
You take this, you put it right here. And then you could use another 4x2, like this right here. Except I don't have that right now because low on pink pieces. So I'm just going to use a bunch of 2 slits. And then what you need is 2 red blocks. And you can place these anywhere you want. I'm going to put it right here.
And there you go. You made a Kirby. And here's his other stuff.
Yeah, wait. I made this. It's just like the Kirby.
It's
like a robot.
And
so now we're just gonna play with Legos. So we have a giant Lego bin over here. And
Isaac has a lot more stuff, but he didn't.
Look at what I found.
Did I bring it over? It's over by our couch. Yeah, but
look at what I found. I found a 2x4.
Oh, look at Isaac. Look at. And I'm coming to show you the stuff that I made.
So there I go.
Oh, yeah. I made.
So this will be our, like, building area.
I made this.
Okay.
I made
so there you have it. A Kirby. Except we're not going to be done just right now.
And
we're going to build some stuff.
Made
so let me get the camera set up.
My favorite.
Yep. Hold on. I'm going to get the camera set up better. I think I set the camera up better. So let's get building. So what should we build right now?
Look at this. Okay, guys, I'm coming over to show you my stuff.
Yep, he's coming over.
I got it all in my hand.
I'm just going to grab a giant thing of pieces and see what I made.
I made this. It's like it was a it was like a hoverboard. Then I put a shark fin on there. And look at this. And that's to cut the glass that Luke made. Okay, Luke, can you watch out? I need to show you my stuff. And this is my favorite one. Second favorite. Third. Actually, this is my second.
I've made my third jet thing too.
This is my fourth. This is my fifth. This is my sixth. And I'm 6 years old. And I have two loose tooth and 1 wasp. Okay. Oh no. And get out the cutting glass. Okay. This is black. This is black.
So I'm just making something by grabbing a bunch of pieces out of the bin. I don't know what I'm making. Just seeing what it's going to turn out. So far I've got this.
I like that. Ow!
You okay?
Yeah.
Hurt yourself on some Legos?
Yeah.
Now comment down below what this should be.
Comment down below ring the bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah,
ding,
and
ding.
make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and click the bell for notifications.
This is what Isaac built.
Yeah, it's a little
Legossss.
thing. Just start like.
Gosh.
Caution, do not eat Legos.
Nope. That's crazy. Dad, I want to grab something, okay? Ow!
You'll be right back.
And come on, now you'll get a thumbs up. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I did look at this. This is called a shader.
Oh.
Oh no.
Entertainment. I like just building stuff out of whatever I come up with, like just taking a bunch of pieces and building something. Most people might
This is
like
called a
seeing
shader.
instructions, but I just like putting a bunch of pieces together and seeing what I build. There's Eli's. You might have. Yeah, you probably didn't see, but I have some stuff up here.
Back.
Yep. Did you get some of my stuff?
I only got Isaac's stuff here.
I created the skyscraper hotel building thing too. It's really cool. I might do a tutorial on it.
Yeah, get
Except
this
really, there's pretty
Yeah,
much
do
no
that.
tutorial.
I
It's just like
I come right back.
so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks until you reach the first blue, then you just go like that until this. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 blocks tall, and then it has these things that make it look like a building. So yeah.
And Isaac will show you the stuff that I just got.
So this is like a good part. It used to be like something that was on a roller coaster until the roller coaster got completely destroyed. This is like a little spider battle thing. Another little spider battle thing. A robot that my cousin made, not Eli. My cousin. And then this, I don't know. And then this is just like a giant war machine, and it has. Did you get Steve? Oh yeah, Steve. And it has a person in it. So I should give you guys a tutorial on how to build a person sometime. Like Steve from Minecraft. This guy who goes into the battle station. Really cool to make. In there if you don't want to like use the normal Lego people. These are like let's see, 1, 2 blocks and then 2 slits to all. Here, you can count if you want. Because 3 of these equals 1 block.
Back.
Here's a look.
Oh, I'll go check it on the eye.
The battle guy, he's got some miniguns, laser on his tail. He had a laser on his head. I think it got like lost or something.
Here's coming.
So Eli's coming back with some more stuff. This was all destroyed by Luke at one point, so this is like a giant cruiser thing. This was used for the roller coaster too. Except the roller coaster is broken, so there's no point. So
And this is just a boring apple.
apple for Kirby, because I think Kirby likes apples. Probably not.
Wait, where's the apple tree?
Apple tree, it's in the top drawer.
What top?
Top one. No, that one.
The bottom?
No, middle. Okay, so. Oh yeah, and this goes to the robot Kirby thing. Because then you can like move his legs right here and then take this little red piece off, which.
Guys,
here.
look at this. Guys, this.
Ta-da.
Guys, look at this. The boat.
Ta-da. Little thing.
I like the boat.
That's destroyed by you, Luke.
And here's the apple. Here's the apple tree.
Yep, the
So
apple
tiny.
tree for Kirby. How could it grow this giant apple? The apple's actually pretty much the same size as Kirby.
like this hurt.
Put that drone back.
Put my drone in there. I think that's playing faster. Because you know, guys, this is not me and Isaac's bedroom. It's just his.
Yeah. It's my bed.
He just keeps my drone up there.
You probably remember from the, what's it called?
I did
Fort building video.
I
if you
did
saw
this.
that.
I do this. We probably weren't. Were we in it or were we not?
I was in it.
If we weren't, because we were building a fort in my room in Luke's. But
No, you weren't building a fort in your room.
Amita's in. Me. Oh yeah, you didn't do the video. Me did it.
No,
I think we were watching TV.
you were doing something.
Wait, yeah.
And I was building it. So
yeah,
there's Whiskers in front of the camera.
Hey, get out!
Oh wait, he's not allowed to be in my room because some cat has been going to the bathroom in this room.
And there's Oreo.
Which you're not allowed in either.
Please. No cats in there. Isaac walked Oreo in here and then Oreo peed.
Yeah, one time. She got locked in and then peed. And Midden is the only one trusted because she never pees in the house.
She only pees outside because she's always standing at the door.
Yeah.
Get out.
So I think that's pretty much it for this video.
This is Luke's lake. I helped him build the bottom. You like do this. Put your fingers right here. Be like, shh.
So there's not much else to do. So I think it's about the time to say goodbye.
No.
Yeah. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. So see you next time. Bye.